This video is going to make you money while you sleep. Mark my word. So I was browsing the internet and I came across these Reddit stories and fake text message stories, and they were getting jaw-dropping amount of views. Now, I know they have been around for a while, but I just found an insanely easy way to create videos like this in bulk in just minutes and automatically schedule and post them. Imagine this. In less than a day, you can create an entire month's worth of engaging videos and then effortlessly schedule and have those videos posted daily automatically. It's like having your own personal assistant working behind the scenes. This is a golden opportunity you don't want to miss. It's never been this easy to dive in and start creating. But here is the deal. Every day you hesitate, someone else is jumping in, creating amazing videos, and making serious cash.
Money.
I know this because I have done it myself. I run a faceless channel called Elevate Mind HQ, and I have generated over 700 million views across social media with more than 1 million followers and subscribers. And if you're wondering if these videos are monetizable, trust me, they are 100% monetizable. Okay, first, I'll walk you through the website, show you how to set it up, and connect your social media accounts. Then, I'll create 5 completely new videos from scratch in some of the top-performing niches. You can literally create an account right now and follow along with me if you want to. Check the link in the description to get started. First, head over to Short.ai and you'll see this homepage. For me, it shows Dashboard, but for you, it will display Sign Up. After signing up, you'll be directed to this page. Before creating anything, set up your account and connect your social media profiles. To do this, click on your name and go to the Channels tab. Connect all your social media accounts. If you're posting on YouTube, be sure to also post on Instagram and TikTok to maximize your followers. As you can see, I've connected my account to demonstrate. Just press Connect Channel and follow the instructions. It's super easy. Next, we have the Home tab. This is where you'll find all the tools and popular templates. It's pretty much like an Explore tab. Then, there's the Create tab. Here, you can choose the type of video you want to make. You can also do this from the Home tab under each template, as you can see here. Next up is the AI Tools tab, which we won't be covering in this video, so no need to worry about that. Then there's the Publish tab, and this is my favorite part. This is where you can schedule all your posts, and Short.ai will automatically post them for you. It's the perfect example of working smarter, not harder. We'll go over how to schedule posts later in the video, so you can see exactly how it's done. Lastly, there's the My Projects tab, where you can view all the videos you've created. Pretty straightforward. All right, with that out of the way, let's dive in and create 5 videos from scratch based on the top trending niches. This will show you just how easy it is. You can literally make videos in minutes. Let's start with the first niche, Reddit stories. Before we continue, it's super important to remember that the prompts you give AI are absolutely crucial. But don't worry if you're unsure how to craft them, because I've already created the perfect prompts for you. I'll include them in the description completely free, so make sure to use them. This way, you'll maximize your chances of creating videos with high viral potential. Otherwise, you'll just be wasting time and effort. All right, so we're just going to head over to the Create tab and click on Reddit Stories. There are 3 different ways you can create these Reddit story videos, but we're going to go with AI Script because it's the easiest and fastest option. Just click on AI Script and make sure to choose the 30 to 60 second video length. No one wants to sit through a story that's too long. Next, copy the Reddit story prompt I've included in the description and paste it into ChatGPT. As you can see, GPT just gave me 30 high-quality video concepts that have great potential to go viral. It even tells you why each concept could go viral. Now you've got an entire month's worth of video ideas, and you don't even have to worry about whether they're good or not because the AI used proven viral methods to generate these concepts. Now, we are just going to copy the name of the concept and the premise of the video into Short.ai and click Generate Script. Now from here, I'm just going to go to the Reddit card section and customize the post to my liking, making it a bit more engaging. I'll just pick a random logo for now, but you'll want to use your channel's name and logo. You can even add awards to make it more engaging. Then, I'll click Next and choose my background style. Pick whatever you like. I'm going with this one. Now for the caption style, I recommend taking some time to find the best style that fits your brand and niche. Once you know what you want, it'll be faster. Next is the voice section, which is very important. Your voiceover should match your brand, story, and niche. Take your time to explore all the voices and choose one that resonates with your story. Here's a useful trick. Go to the More Settings section and increase the style exaggeration up to 50%. This makes the voice more expressive and less artificial. Finally, just click Generate Video. If you head back to the My Projects tab, you'll see that the video is being generated. The best part? You don't even have to wait for the first video to finish. You can dive right into creating your second video while the first one processes in the background. All right, let's dive into the second video, fake tech stories. If you nail this one, there's huge potential with these tech stories. As always, the prompt is everything. But don't worry because you know I got you. I've created the perfect prompt specifically for tech stories as well. Just check the description. Now I'm heading back to the Create tab, and this time I'll choose Fake Texts. From there, I'll go to the AI script section. Make sure to select the 30 to 60 seconds video length. Then I'll just copy the prompt I created and paste it into GPT. Now we have the 30 fake message stories concept. And just like before, I'll copy the name of the story and its description into Short.ai and click Generate Script. Just like that, the entire text story is automatically filled in for us. You can see on the right how the messages will appear. Next, we'll select the background style and then the theme. You have options like Android, WhatsApp, and iPhone message themes. I'll go with the iPhone theme for this one. Now, onto the voiceovers. For these text messages, it's a bit different from the Reddit stories. Since it's a conversation between two people, we need to choose two distinct voices. As you can see, there's a left character and a right character. Make sure to carefully pick voices that match the messages and the tone of the story. Oh, and don't forget to increase the exaggeration to 50%. Once that's done, I'll generate the video, and that's it. The second video is complete. While the second video is being processed, let's check out the first one we created.
Sister elopes in my wedding dress. Am I overreacting? When Lily found her dream wedding dress, she imagined walking down the aisle in it. It was custom made, a symbol of love and joy waiting for her special day.
As you can see, it turned out pretty good, and it only took a few minutes to make. Let's move on to the third video, Fun Fact Stories. For this one, we don't even need ChatGPT. Everything can be done directly in Short.ai. First, I'll head over to the Create tab again and click on the dialogue generator. From there, I'll select AI script, where you'll find a bunch of templates to choose from. I'm going to pick the Fun Facts template, set the video length, and generate the script. And just like that, the entire script is ready, filled with really cool fun facts. Next, I'll select the background style, add captions, choose the voiceovers for the two characters, adjust the exaggeration style, and generate the video. Yes, it's that simple. Now let's see how our fake text message story we made earlier turned out.
I can't believe I accidentally told my boss I have feelings for him. I meant to text Sarah.
Wait, what? You confessed your crush to your boss? What did he say?
He replied with, I had no idea. Can we talk about this in person?
All right, so the next video is a motivational story. It's the same process as the last one, but instead of selecting fun facts, I'll choose motivational. The steps are exactly the same. Picking the background, adding captions, selecting the voices, and then generating the video. Let's check out the fun fact video we made while this one is processing.
Hey B, did you know that when an object is in motion, we can analyze its behavior without considering the forces acting on it?
Really? So we're just looking at things like displacement, velocity, and acceleration?
Not bad at all. The last video we'll be creating is a story video. For this, I'll go to AI Story under the Create tab. I'll select the Scary Stories template under AI Script. From there, I'll choose the video length, leave the rest blank, and generate the script. The script is all set and ready to go. Like before, I'll pick the background style, add the captions, choose the voice, and generate the video. And that's it. Now let's schedule these videos so the AI can do its thing and post them automatically for us. In the Publish tab, I simply select the date I want the post to go live and click the plus sign. From there, I choose the video, and the AI even generates captions and hashtags for me. I just edit the cover, pick the date and time, and hit Schedule Post. Seriously, this is like the ultimate cheat code for creating content with zero editing and barely any effort. If you can't even manage this, honestly, I don't know what to say. I'm afraid you will not make it if putting in this tiny bit of effort feels like too much. Here are two key things you absolutely need to keep in mind. First, stay consistent. Seriously, consistency is everything. Remember, the algorithm needs time to figure out who you are, what kind of videos you create, and who your ideal audience is. It's like building a relationship. It doesn't happen overnight. So keep showing up, keep creating, and let the algorithm do its thing. Second, make sure you're using the prompts I've put together for you. These aren't just random suggestions. They're designed to help your stories hit their full potential. They're built around proven viral techniques, which means they can give your content that extra edge to stand out. Don't sleep on these prompts. They're your shortcut to crafting videos that resonate and get noticed. If you're into making and editing videos yourself, this is one you absolutely can't skip. It's a full course, and I'm breaking down exactly how I managed to go viral almost every single time.